Meaning of deafeningly.
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 Deafeningly. Deafeningly is an adverb that describes a sound which is extremely loud and overwhelming. It suggests a level of noise that is so intense that it is capable of causing temporary or permanent deafness. A deafening sound can be so loud that it drowns out all other sounds in the vicinity, making communication impossible. It can also cause physical discomfort or pain to those exposed to it. The term deafeningly is typically used to describe sounds like explosions, thunder, concerts, or any sound that is loud enough to leave a lasting impression on the listener.